Hello everybody, I'm from w460.com and today we're going to show you how to install the roof rack and the ladder on this beautiful 2002 G-Wagon 500 w463 body. Right here you can see everything what you need is in these two boxes. The three sections that you see here, they are extras that you gotta put on the top if you want to attach anything above the roof rack. Mainly in these two boxes you have everything you need. And right now we're gonna show you how to assemble it. We're gonna try to time it probably and find out how much exactly it's gonna take us to do it for the first timers. And we're gonna share this video for you so you will know what kind of product you're buying from our website. The instruction how to assemble this roof rack always will be included in the box with the part. For cases when you didn't get it or you cannot read Russian, then you can always download it from our website w460.com, and we will email you or send the link for PDF file where you can download it and use it. All the hardware is included to assemble whole roof rack. Let's get started. So here we are. In the box you're also going to find hardware. What included in hardware? That's enough bolts to assemble everything here. You're going to have brackets that you're going to attach like this to the gutter of the roof rack, and it's basically going to grab it. This part is supporting this front bar. On that front bar, you can whether install it or you can just put something on it, like LED bars, LED lights, something that you would like. So this is more like for accessories and also for stability. And pay attention that this is the front and the back is over there. In the back, we're gonna have similar metal part like this, but it won't have attachments because it's gonna have holes that's gonna be going on the back. For those who want something more, we offer aluminum plates. We also can cover them in any color that you want for your custom color. So this is how they look like, and now you're gonna see how it's changed the look. Obviously, you will have to use the screws to attach them to the rack so they don't move. And that creates the platform. We give you 4 pieces of that, but some people use just 3 because they prefer to open the front roof rack. For rear ladder, you have 2 options. We can whether use the screws and drill it in the body of the car and secure it to it, or you can just use the VHB tape and just glue it on. Just make sure you don't cross the line where the door opens and just stick it.